Okay guys, we are back with part 2 because I just got the steam cleaner and we're going to show you how to set it up really easy. I spent an hour trying to figure just the best way to use it, and you want to use the container that comes with. It says 175 milliliters. You don't want to fill it any more than that, and I just do a touch under like I'm showing you, and then you unscrew the top, and we are using a funnel to put the water in. Make sure that this water is bottled water. You don't want a bunch of minerals in your water when you're steam cleaning the car. We screw the top on and we will be plugging it in, and then we'll be good to go. You will know it is working when you see the light. When it's plugged in and the light turns off, you know you're ready to go, and we can start testing it out. Always use microfiber cloth to clean your interior, and I'm going to show you guys a couple before and afters and just the process of steam cleaning. This also works great if you have like sticker residue. Look at how it just comes off. Dirty cup holders, no problem. This is what my door looked like before, and then this is the door on the other side after. So a comparison between the two. Here's a quick look at just a minute spent on just steam cleaning the hard plastics.